To transfer USDT from Binance, start by opening the Binance app and clicking on the wallet option at the bottom of the screen. Then, select the spot option at the top, and choose the withdraw button from the available options. A list of cryptocurrencies will be displayed. Scroll down to find USDT or use the search bar to locate it quickly. Once you've selected USDT, a window will pop up, prompting you to choose a crypto network. Select the network that suits your needs, taking into account the fees and arrival time. Next, you'll need to enter the wallet address. To do this, open the Revolut app. Click on the script option at the bottom of the screen, and then select Receive. Find USDT in the list of cryptocurrencies, either by scrolling down or using the search bar, and tap on it to access your wallet address. Click the copy button and return to the Binance app, ensuring that you've selected the same network displayed in the Revolut app. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Click Withdraw, and review the transaction summary to confirm the network, wallet address, and amount. After verifying the details, click Confirm to complete the transfer of USDT from Binance to Revolut.